Good morning students. Today we will discuss exercise 11.1 question number 5. So see children, exercise 11.1 question number 5. Construct an equilateral triangle given its side. So see children, here we have to construct an equilateral triangle and whose sides are given to us. So see children, exercise 11.1 question number 5. Here we have to construct an equilateral triangle. Now we can write data to construct. So see children, data to construct. Consider triangle ABC with AB is equal to 9 centimeter, BC is equal to 9 centimeter and CA is equal to 9 centimeter. So see children, here we will consider one triangle ABC whose side length AB is equal to 9 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter and CA is equal to 9 centimeter. Now we can construct triangle ABC which is equilateral triangle. So first we will construct side BC is equal to 9 centimeter and this we can construct with the help of the scale. Now see children, this is our scale and with the help of this scale we will construct line segment BC is equal to 9 centimeter. So see children, I am constructing BC is equal to 9 centimeter with the help of the scale. Now see children, it is point B, then it is point C and it is 9 centimeter. Now see children, now we will construct line segment AB is equal to 9 centimeter with the help of the pair of compass. Now see children, this is the pair of compass, it is its metal end and it is its pencil end. Now I can keep metal end on B and pencil end on C. Pencil end on C. So see children, metal end on B and pencil end on C. So this radius is 9 centimeter. Now I can keep metal end on B. So see children, I kept metal end on B. So with B as center, and 9 centimeter radius, draw one arc above the line segment BC. Again I repeat this step, keep metal end on B, pencil end on C. So this is the radius of 9 centimeter. I keep metal end on B. So see children, I kept metal end on B. So with B as a center and 9 centimeter radius, draw one arc. See, with B as a center and 9 centimeter radius, draw one arc above the line segment BC. Again I repeat, with B as a center and 9 centimeter radius, draw one arc above the line segment BC. Now with C as a center, I can keep metal end on C. See, I kept metal end on C. So with C as a center and 9 centimeter radius, draw one arc which cut a previous arc at point A. Now see children, this step again I can repeat. With C as a center and 9 centimeter radius, draw one arc which cut previous arc at point A. Now we can join point A and B and then we can join point A and C with the help of the scale. So see children, with the help of the scale, I can join point A and B. See children, I am joining point A and B. See, I join point A and B. Now I can join point A and C. See, I am joining point A and C. Now I will measure length of line segment AB. So see children, I am measuring length of line segment AB and see children, it is 9 centimeter. So it is 9 centimeter. Now I will measure length of line segment AC. So see children, I am measuring line segment AC and it is also 9 centimeter. So see children, here we constructed triangle ABC in such a way that length of AB 9 centimeter, length of BC 9 centimeter and length of CA is also 9 centimeter. So here triangle ABC is the required equilateral triangle. So see children, it is the explanation of exercise 11.1 question number 5. Here we constructed a triangle, here we constructed an equilateral triangle ABC with all its side length is 9 centimeter. So see children, this is the explanation of exercise 11.1 question number 5. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.